I was a patient of Dr. Watts for 20 years or more, I don't know, so long time. And we liked him. He's a great dentist and became a good friend. And we were sorry to see him go, but Dr. Powell came and we're happy.
He came in originally with his wife. She had a couple of teeth that needed to be worked on. She has some medical issues, so he comes in with her to all of her appointments. And during that time, we've been able to kind of build that relationship. He was then due for a cleaning exam, and so I think he felt a lot more comfortable coming back for that exam, and we just kind of hit it off.
My wife has been here for a number of times, and I always come with her for medical reasons. So I've been in the clinic, and I've talked to Dr. Powell half a dozen times at least, I guess. He's been very good with her and accommodating of her issues. He's been very good to explain treatment options for her and involves us in decision making, which I appreciate. And based on the experience here, I would be happy to recommend this clinic to anybody who's looking for a dentist.